Chalo, let's have a look at some vaccine related question. What is your answer to this? A 9-month-old baby was brought for routine immunization. However, the mother of the baby informed the doctor that the child is on tab prednisolone for the last 6 weeks. All of the following vaccines can be administered to the baby except. What is your answer? Pentavalent, IPV vaccine, MR vaccine, pneumococcal vaccine. The baby is on prednisolone. Okay, somewhere the immunity is suppressed. So, which vaccines are contraindicated over here, guys? All live vaccines. Okay, all live vaccines. Now, pentavalent is a combination vaccine. You can give it. IPV is a killed vaccine. Okay, Salk, IPV. Pneumococcal again is a subunit vaccine. Which one we cannot give? MR vaccines. Yes, live vaccines are contraindicated when a person is on steroids. Okay, very good. All right, so the answer to this is MR. Now in this presentation, guys, I've put you a contraindication chart because INI-CET बहुत ही ज़्यादा पूछता है. In pregnancy, all live vaccines contraindicated except yellow fever. For fever, typhoid oral. If a child, however, has PEM, diarrhea, mild to moderate fever, no contraindication. Even the live vaccines can be given. You can get a question, a person is on, a baby is having simple cough and cold, diarrhea, malnourished. You will not give the live vaccines. No, you can give the live vaccines. Okay. High grade fever, acute disease, however, withhold all vaccines when we don't know. ठीक है. Asymptomatic HIV, none are contraindicated. In symptomatic HIV, adults may all live vaccines, but you will give the measles and varicella group. In newborn, again, you will give OPV measles. ठीक है. All right. Now look at one more questions. INI-CET 2023. What is the answer to this? A 10-week-old baby was brought for vaccination. Okay? The baby had a history of inconsolable crying and fever following vaccination at 6 weeks. What should be your next step? Inconsolable crying, history of inconsolable crying. Inconsolable crying is no longer an absolute contraindication. No longer an absolute contraindication. Okay, following DPT or pentavalent vaccination. Okay, following DPT/pentavalent vaccination. Am I clear? It is no longer an absolute contraindication. Pehle tha. See, because of the pertussis component, the child may, continue crying for more than 3 hours. Okay. Then the child can develop pertussis ki wajah se seizures and all of that. But now inconsolable crying is not an absolute contraindication. Okay. So what will you do? What should be your next step? You will give the DPT vaccine. However, if the baby suffers from HHE, what is HHE? Hypotonic hyporesponsive encephalopathy. HHE is an absolute contraindication. ठीक है? Is it clear? Okay. Look at the next question now. What came in the latest INI-CET? जो 2 और 3 question आए थे. Which of the following is not a polysaccharide vaccine? Okay, hepatitis B vaccine, pneumococcal, meningococcal, influenza. Yeah, following pertussis, somebody asked a question, like there's intense pain might happen. Alright, soreness also develops following DPT or pentavalent vaccine. Okay. So yes, hepatitis B, everybody is a recombinant. That means one topic that you're going to definitely revise and go for your INI-CET is the classification of vaccines. Okay. Now pneumococcal, meningococcal, H influenza. All these are what, guys? Subunit vaccine. Subunit vaccine may you also have a polysaccharide. Okay, you have a polysaccharide type. You also have a conjugate. What is conjugate? Conjugate is polysaccharide and protein are recognized by a T cell. So here the very important pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. PCV13, this one is used in our NIS. Okay, meningococcal here also, meningococcal in conjugate also, meningococcal. Okay, then you have HIB here also. HIB here also. Pneumococcal में polysaccharide में there's one more example everybody, Typhim VI. Okay, recombinant का एक और example दो, HPV vaccine. Okay, that again is a recombinant vaccine which is prepared using DNA technology. Clear?